I would get umuntu ohlamba itaxi. You know, and I say, man,
out of nowhere,
like, man, it's I want Ndlulamthi.
True.
And I'm like, yeah, Ndlulamthi, like the hugs, you know, like, uzwa machita. I say, kulomeki. I say, tatu pick, you know. For me, Lando, it speaks a lot. It speaks a lot.
From your own people,
you know, I don't expect it. Andy from like I expect it from abantu abafana like abantu abaphezulu like who would give me the opportunity to be an artist instead of having a 9 to 5 to balance. You understand? But I get it from people that don't have money, and those people, those certain people, it's where I think I am actually based my art or projects to. Yeah, about the people that I know. These people are like me, regardless of situation, of a class or anything that you know, they relate to me. You understand?
Oh, great. Funny enough, I was speaking to 5-6 the other day. I was like, dude, I'm in a taxi and I'm listening to Ndlulamthi's album, Hard Livings. You guys, I can imagine people in the taxi like reacting to this music. So you have to distribute it like at taxi ranks, even if it's through USBs.